Are you dealing with back pain, stiff joints, poor posture, or just feeling like your body isn't working as smoothly as it should? The truth is, most of our problems come down to lack of movement, poor strength, and limited mobility. In this video, I'm breaking down the top 6 exercises that can fix 95% of your problems. The best part? You can do them anywhere. No gym, no fancy equipment. First, the bodyweight squat, a fundamental movement for every fitness level. You already squat every day when you sit, stand, or pick something up. Stand tall, feet shoulder-width apart, toes slightly outward. Push your hips back and lower down. Squats strengthen your legs, improve balance, and boost mobility. Next, the farmer's carry. Simple, but incredibly effective. Perform 3 sets of 10 to 15 reps. Let your body hang naturally and relax your shoulders. Underhand barbell row. Pull toward your waist, not your ribs. This is what builds your lower lats and V-taper. Push through your heels and lift your hips, squeezing your glutes at the top. Next, thread the needle for mobility. If you sit a lot, this one is a must. Glute bridges. And finally, push-ups, a classic that works your entire upper body. Lower with control and push back up, keeping your body straight. Squats, farmer carries, glute bridges, mobility work, dead hangs, and push-ups. Stick with me till the end, and I'll show you how to combine them into a 20 to 30-minute daily routine.